first law?
Okay.
Newton's first law of motion, also known as the law of conservation, states that objects at rest will remain at rest unless acted upon by an outside or unbalanced force. This ball on the floor is the object at rest, and Stefan's foot kicking it is the unbalanced force. Now, as you see, part 2 of the first Newton's first law says that an object will remain in motion unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. Now, as you look at the ball, the unbalanced force was friction and the rocks hitting the law of motion states that an object will accelerate or move in the direction that the unbalanced force is applied. Now, as you can see, Ethan was the unbalanced force, and he applied it towards Stefan, and you can see that Stefan is doing the same thing over again. And the ball is the object that is accelerating. Now, the greater the mass of the object, the greater the force is needed to accelerate or move the object. As you can see, Ethan can barely kick this ball and it will go about 10 feet away from him. As you can see, the greater mass would be this recycling bin. It is a greater mass than this yellow ball. In that case, it will need a greater force. As you can see, Ethan is kicking it fairly hard, but it is not moving. The recycling bin was the greater mass object.
Okay, third, come on. You can be better.
Alright, so Newton's third law of motion states that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. So as you can see, the yellow ball on the ground was the object being thrown at the wall, and looks like Ethan don't know his freaking laws of motion because he didn't know that the ball would bounce back at him with an equal and opposite reaction. Look at it. Now, guys, we cannot forget that F equals MA. Oh.
Yeah, guys, it's very important to get F equals MA in this, alright? No, you guys gotta remember F. Shut up. You gotta remember F equals MA.
You're just like your father.
Oh!
Whoa. It's freezing. Let's get this.